welcome back to my channel. And as you know from the title, this is going to be a Nykaa haul. So let's get started. Let's start with the first thing that comes to my hand is this one. This is the Plum Body Loving Shower Gel. ये Plum का body loving range है. So this is how it looks. I love this shower gel. This is the Hawaiian Roomba one. I love this shower gel. I even got a pairing mist. ये आपने मेरे perfume mist वाले वीडियो में देखा ही होगा. So this is how it looks. It comes in a package deal. I'll just keep the screenshot if I get it. अगर मुझे screenshot मिलते हैं then I'll just keep it down so that आपको दिखे कि how it is. It is a really nice combination. It stays in your body for a really long time. Like I have used it today and I can know it's still there. So this is a really nice combo. If you want to try, then please give it a try. From Body Loving I also got this one. This is the Body Loving body oil. This is the vanilla vibes one, and it's a body oil. I know summer mein body oil, you must all be like summer mein body oil, but my skin is dry, and after you shave, I like to apply oil after I shave my body. So I think this one plays a really nice role. I have used it this much, as you have seen. I've used it बहुत 4-5 बार and I really like it. The smell of this, oh my god, the smell is really nice. Yes, the smell is really nice. So yeah, actually I got a lot of hair care products. This one is the Wishcare 100% pure castor oil. This is how it looks. This is 200 ml. I don't remember any price, so I'll just leave the screenshot in the screen so that it will be easier for you to see. So this is how it looks, and it does comes with a thingy like this, which is easier for you to apply. Like, and I have just applied it once. I cannot give you my review just by applying once. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'll be telling you about how this works there. Then let's come to this one. This is a really big shampoo. This is from L'Oreal. This is the Dream Length Restoring Shampoo, and I got the matching conditioner too. I don't know मैंने क्यों इतना बड़ा लिया. I just thought it is going to work for me. Like L'Oreal के सारे shampoos work really nice for me. I wanted to try this range. This is the new one, I think. So I just got it, and I'm using it from the day I got it, and I love it. मतलब मेरा hair fall नहीं हो रहा है उतना ज़्यादा. So I feel this is the reason, but I'm not sure. I'll just let you guys know on my Instagram on my next video. You just can remind me, and I'll let you know about that. I even got a matching Dream Length No Haircut cream. Actually, I have like my hairs are really small right now. I used to have really long hair, but I got this because I really want to grow my hair right now, so I don't want to cut. And मेरे नीचे के बाल like इतने बाल बहुत फ्रीजी हो जाता है. So I thought let's bring this and try. I have tried this twice and I like it. It's not that I hate it, but अभी नहीं बता सकते कि how it works. अभी L'Oreal का कुछ चल रहा है I think. This is again I got a serum from L'Oreal. This is the Extraordinary Oil Serum. I think I'm the last one to purchase this. I think everyone in the community has this except me. I got this. This is in a glass bottle. This looks really beautiful if you ask me. This is a really nice serum. I've used it twice. I haven't seen such differences because इससे पहले I was using the BioLarge one. It was also really good. I completed it, so I needed a new serum. I got this. So it's not like I haven't seen any difference till now. Let's see how good this makes my hair. Okay, then I got these are all basically essentials that I have got because at a time like this I only need to buy the essentials. That is how I think. Okay, the next one is this one. This is a face shaver. This is it comes in a packet like this. This is from the brand called Furely. I'll just link everything down. All I have got is from Nykaa. So it comes in packages like this. It has 2 in it, like this. I haven't used it till now, so I don't know. If I use it, then I'll let you guys know in my Instagram. And then I got this one. This is the Hip Hop Skincare Cleansing Charcoal Forehead, Nose and Chin Strips. I have some whiteheads in my chin and uske wajah se I got it. I don't think I have blackheads. I cannot say that because मुझे कभी वैसे specifically दिखते नहीं है and मुझे पता नहीं चलता है, तो I don't know actually. I got it. It has like 2 set, 6 strips है इसमें total. It has 2 set. So I have used this one and I don't think मेरा कुछ भी काम किया. मेरा whiteheads अभी भी है and it has not went. So I don't know how much this works, but here I got a lot of sheet masks. As you can see, a lot of sheet masks because it's summer time. मैंने सोचा कि I'll get a lot of sheet masks because मैंने Nykaa का ट्राई किया हुआ है, मैंने Face Shop का ट्राई किया हुआ है. I tried everything. I just wanted to try this Tony Moly one. This is from Tony Moly. Tony Moly, that is how you pronounce? I don't know. That is how you pronounce. I'm really scared right now. So I have got like 10 sheet masks, and this one, this is like all the sheet masks. I have here, this is the red one. I have 2. Then this is the tomato one. This is the I am rice one. I have 1 lemon one and 1 tea tree one. I used 1 tea tree one, and there is not a lot of serum in this, but it is a really nice sheet mask. It will hydrate your skin. Then I got this. This is the 3-step blackhead removal. I just wanted to try this. This is from Innisfree. So I think I'll be trying this one first before hip hop because I'm really scared कि मुझे pimples आ जाएंगे. My skin is a little bit sensitive around here. So let's just see how this works. I think I've shown you everything. Okay, the last one and my favorite one is this one. This is a blow dry brush. This is from Alan Truman. This is how it looks. I love this color, by the way. Let me just show you the one. This is how it looks. I have tried this today and I love how my hair is looking right now. It's really in a good condition. I've just tried it once. It has 3 settings here: low, middle and high. And जो भी आपको चाहिए आप उस हिसाब से कर सकते हो. It dries your hair really fast. It takes a really small amount of time to dry your hair. So guys, this is it. This is the end of this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification right next to it so you always get notified. It's free, guys. You can subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So yeah guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care, stay safe.